Or logging in for the first time, you won't have any previously created supermods. So in that case, you can either press this create button or this plus button. So I'm pressing create. Here all the available supermods will be listed. At the moment only the authentication supermod is available, so I'll just choose it. Then on this new supermod screen, I need to give a name to this supermod. You can give any name actually, just that it can contain alphabets, numbers and hyphens. If your project name is ABC, and then a good naming convention would be ABC hyphen auth. So press submit and the supermod will be created.